With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Today our question is the equation of a line which is perpendicular to line 5x minus 2y is equal to 7 and passes through the midpoint of line segment joining 2, 7 and minus 4, 1. It means that we have a line, let's say this is what our line that is given to us. The whose equation is 5x minus 2y is equals to 7, and we have given that the line whose equation we have to find is perpendicular to this line. That means that line will be like this. So let's say this is perpendicular to this line, and line L1 we have to find out, right? We have given line L2, and another thing that is given to us is the line whose equation is required is passing through the midpoint of midpoint of line which is joining these 2 points, right? So let's say that line is this, right? So here we can write the coordinates as 2, 7 and minus 4, 1. So to find out the equation of a straight line, we need slope and 1 point, right? That is enough to find a equation of a straight line, or we can have 2 points also. Using that we can also find the equation of a straight line, but here we have given that a line is perpendicular to the line and it is passing through another line. So we will find the slope through this line, because we know that the slope of perpendicular lines gives us minus 1 on multiplication. So let's say the slope of this line is m1 and slope of this line is L1, this is m1 and this is m2, right? So m2 into m1 will give us minus 1 because L1 is perpendicular to L2, right? So this will give us m2 will be, we know m2 is minus a upon b, where a is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y. So a is 5 and b is minus 2. So we will have 5 upon 2 as the coefficient of as the slope of the line L2. Now using this slope we can find out the slope of line M1 whose equation is required. So M1 is minus 1 upon M2, that is this will become minus 2 upon 5. So the slope of the required line is minus 2 upon 5. Now we need a point also, and that point will be find out using this line. We know that the line is passing through the midpoint of these two lines, right? So we can find out the midpoint as 2 plus minus 4 upon 2 for x coordinate, and for y coordinate it will be 7 plus 1 upon 2. So this will give us 2 minus 4 is minus 2 upon 2 is minus 1, comma 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 upon 2 is 4. That means minus 1, 4 is the point through which the line is passing. So we will write here minus 1, comma 4. So now we will using slope point form. We have y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1, where y1 x1 are the points through which the line is passing and m is the slope. So here y minus y1 is what? 4, m is minus 2 upon 5, and x minus x1 is minus 1, so x plus 1. So now this will become 5y minus 20 is equals to minus 2x minus 2. So this will gives us 5y plus 2x minus 20 plus 2 is equals to 0, and from which we will get 5y plus 2x minus 18 is equals to 0. So that is the equation of the required line, 5y plus 2x minus 18. That is option 3rd. So this is what the required answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.